What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and here we are in the Okada Manila Grand Ballroom where Mitsubishi Motors Philippines has just officially launched the 2020 Montero Sport. Let's check it out. The 2020 Mitsubishi Montero Sport has just been launched in our local shores. The first thing Montero fans will notice is that facelift. Like most auto manufacturers, we can expect Mitsubishi to roll out more vehicles with this design language moving forward, to keep the uniformity within their lineup. We first saw this updated front end with the arrival of the 2019 Expander, followed by the Strada. The biggest difference here compared to its predecessor are the turn signal and fog light placements. They now share a housing and are now placed right below the headlights. Another thing longtime Montero fans will notice are the updated teardrop taillights that a lot of people hated on, to the point car owners slapped on aftermarket taillight covers to basically cover up the teardrop and make them look more conventional. Well, it looks like Mitsubishi listened and came to a compromise by not totally ditching the teardrop. Instead, they made it shorter and updated the signal and brake light placements. Just like the last model, all variants for this 2020 Montero also get 18-inch alloy wheels, with the GT variant sporting a specific two-tone finish. Speaking of variants, as of the date of publish for this video, we can expect the 2020 Montero Sport in 3 variants: the GT 2-wheel drive, the GLS 2-wheel drive, and the GLX 2-wheel drive. As of now, we only have pricing for the first two mentioned. You guys should be seeing that on your screens right now. All 3 variants also share the same 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC turbo diesel engine with MIVEC, which was the case last generation. Something you all may have noticed was no 4-wheel drive? Nani? I mean, we get it. Most buyers usually drive within the city anyway, but with an almost 2 million peso asking price for the base automatic variant, is it too much to ask for? Let us know in the comment section below what you guys think of this. Moving on, you guys must have heard of that cool new LCD digital instrument cluster. I mean, nothing else screams future more than this feature. I just wanted to give my due diligence and let you all know that this can only be found on the GT variant as of now. Another thing exclusive to the GT variant are those power lift tailgates, and it's awesome! Sensors are packed into the tailgate that allow it to have smart safety features, effectively lowering any risk of the tailgate closing and crushing anyone still under it, or even a hand caught between the boot and the car itself. Potential buyers for this variant should also know they get hands-free functionality, for those times you go grocery shopping by yourself and need to open the boot with your foot. All you gotta do is kick right below the rear bumper on either the left or right side of the Montero. So yes, this won't work from the center. Exclusive to the GT and GLS variant, we get a new infotainment unit that #bless gets both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. So whether you be an Apple or Android user, this infotainment unit's got you. Users should also be happy to know that they get GPS integration straight from TomTom Automotive, as well as support for Bluetooth, USB, and HDMI. Both these variants also get what I think is one of the most important features for Philippine traffic: auto hold. This function, when activated, basically holds your brake for you. And trust me, when you find yourself in a standstill along EDSA, this feature will be your best friend. Lastly, all 3 variants will get them reverse sensors, a reverse camera, and keyless entry. So for all you push start haters, time to get with the times. And that was our quick look at the 2020 Mitsubishi Montero Sport. Let us know how you feel about it in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I will see you in the next one. All right.